The Great Smoky Mountains National Park, located in 2 states, North Carolina and Tennessee, it is the most visited national park in the United States, probably because of its close proximity to dense populations, and it's in a day's drive for a third of the U.S. population. We were spending a week in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, and driving through the park on the main road of US 441. These are 3 easy stops that you can make while driving through. The Oconaluftee Visitor Center is one of the first stops you could make as you're entering the national park in the North Carolina side. It was so packed the day we were there, we couldn't even find a parking spot, which is okay because we've been plenty of times. So we just passed it and went to our very first stop of the day, which was Mingus Mill, and they do have a restroom there if you need it. Before walking the short distance to the grist mill, make sure you step behind the comfort station where you can get really beautiful views of Mingus Creek. It's a short walk to the grist mill, and this was built in 1886, and it's still on its original spot. It uses a water-powered turbine to power all the machinery inside of the building instead of a water wheel. It's currently closed. You can't go inside at the moment. They're restoring it, but they do have ranger programs periodically that show you how it works, and they even sell some products. It's such a neat, quiet, and peaceful area. It's neat if you love history or if you wanted a good photo opportunity. If you're feeling adventurous and would like to hike some more, make sure you have some good walking shoes, and you can follow this water flume that it supplies the water to the grist mill. It's made out of wood, and it's really neat to show how they divert the water from Mingus Creek into this water flume that flows right into the mill. Now, as the road starts climbing to get up and over the mountains, there are so many overlooks that you could stop and enjoy. This one was the Swinging Bridge Overlook, which I think had really beautiful views of the mountains. And the third stop you could make is at Newfound Gap. Who doesn't love a good state line picture? This is where North Carolina and Tennessee come together. There's a lot of parking spaces here. It is always busy, at least when we always go. And there's normally, you can find a parking spot though, but it's a busy area. And you can even walk a part of the Appalachian Trail here, which we always try to do when we stop here.
Busy like always.
Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. We'll show you where we stayed for the whole week we were here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, and a lot of the fun things that we did. And so until next time, adventures are out there. Are you? Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.
Adventures are out there. Come join us on this ride. From the Grand Canyon's majesty to the mountains high. With every mile we travel, in the beauty we will find God's creations all around, so wondrous and so kind.